And good morning. So today's subject, we're going to talk about subject pronouns, and we've actually used a few of them. We're just going to learn how to use them correctly today. The job of a pronoun, so let's go back to junior high grammar. The job of a pronoun is to rename or replace a noun. That's an easy way of remembering it. But more specifically, the job of a subject pronoun is to rename or replace a subject. So you don't repeat that person's name or the subject again. Subject pronouns in Spanish are used to clarify or emphasize the subject. So we've been using soy, oopsie. We've also heard yo soy. Same thing. That yo is a subject pronoun. Could be used to clarify, hey, it's me. I'm the one from Bourbonnais. So here we go. Here's the ones we already know. We know that I equals yo. We know that to with an accent is you informal. We see now. Sin ella. You formal member is usted. Remember, two rhymes with you. They both start with you. Ellos is they. Ella. So all we're going to do next is set them up on a chart. And everything we do from this point forward will be set up on the same chart. Yo, tú. This is first person, second person. El, ella. Here's the new one. Nosotros. Nosotras. We masculine. We feminine. So if we put them on this chart, they sit across from their plural. The plural of el is ellos. Oops, sorry. The plural of ella is ellas. How to make something plural? Add an S. The plural of usted is ustedes. So we're going to call that the y'all. Because we don't really have a you plural in English. And we've seen that. Every pronoun in this first column has something in common. They're all singular. Everything in the second column then, plural. So we're going to practice renaming it. We're going to change the subjects into subject pronouns. So one rhyme or sentence that I always do is put it in context. So let's take A. Maria Gonzalez has to go to the store. Blank had to buy chips. We don't say Maria Gonzalez again. We say, in English, we say she. And in Spanish, that's ella. El señor y la señora Lopez went to the store. Blank had to buy chips. So it's more than one. We know that it's a plural. And it's a male and a female. That makes it masculine. Jorge went to the store. Blank had to buy chips. In English, we would say he. It's L. There's an accent on that. Otherwise, it means the. We know that. Magdalena and Pilar went to the store. Blank had to buy chips. Those are two girls. So we need the feminine. Ellas. Ellas had to buy chips. Miguel y yo. So here's a rule. Miguel y yo went to the store. Miguel and I went to the store. We. 100% of the time. 100%. That never happens in Spanish. 100% of the time, if yo is involved and it's a plural, it's a nosotros. That's 100% rule. Yo plus anything is a nosotros. Marcos y Ronaldo went to the store. They had to buy bread. Two boys. That makes it masculine. Olga y yo. Hey, there's that yo rule again. That makes it a nosotros. And it's going to be different. If you're a girl, you have nosotras because it's two girls. If you're a boy, you have nosotros. El señor Morales y tú. So here's another rule. So singular or plural, and that's a plural. Mr. Morales and you. So y'all. Bread. 100% of the time. Anything plus two is an ustedes. So here we go on letter I. It's both of them. Thu yo. Well, you and I went to the store. We had to buy bread. Remember, that's your only 100%, a true 100% rule. The girls went to the store. They. That's a yes. Los muchachos, the boys. And that's ellos, because it's masculine. Mrs. Chavez. Mrs. Chavez went to the store. She had to buy chips. How about ella? Christina went to the store. Again, she had to buy chips. This time we're talking to somebody with a title. There's your tricky one. When you're talking to somebody with a title, it's automatically an usted. It's a you formal. Juan went to the store. He had to buy chips. Celia went to. She had to buy chips. There are a ton of videos on YouTube if that one doesn't get it. Or maybe you need to repeat this one. Either way, subject pronouns, and now you're going to practice them on homework, and I'll put the keys up as well. Bye, guys.